pretty sure this is the calm before the storm. Supposed to see 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts tonight. There's a major low pressure trough that's going to be forming pretty much right over Northern California, with high pressure off to our west. Is going to increase the pressure gradients, which is going to make a pretty big windstorm. Very dry conditions out here. There's already a big fire down south of me towards Sonoma County, I believe. And yeah, so pretty much a calm before the storm. These trees will definitely be moving tonight with 65-mile-per-hour winds. There's a high wind warning in effect for this area, actually all throughout Northern California. So yeah, here's my puppy who likes to make a mess of stuff. And there's that guy.